So guys, I'm hoping that you're safe and staying at home. Now, talking about the video. In my channel there are many videos about significant cuisine which is Italian. Now to try something unique, I'm going to try Mexican cuisine, and while talking about Mexican cuisine, you're in the mind there are many dishes like tacos, nachos, enchiladas, burritos. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to make burritos this time. So now without wasting time guys, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Okay, there's so many ingredients. Now if you want to play any music while cooking, you can play because it's gonna be a very long process. Now starting with naming the ingredients, first we'll be needing 1.5 cup of kidney beans and the same quantity of the rice. 1 cup of mix of sweet corn and frozen peas. I've taken fresh peas, you can take frozen peas or fresh peas, it's your choice. 1 cup of soya bean, half cup of onion, 2 tomatoes, 4 green chilies, 1 cup of mint leaves and coriander, 1 cube of shredded cheese, salt as per your taste, oil, 2 tortillas. Now if I'll be needing recipe of tortilla, like how to make it, and you can comment down below, I'll make it. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon, cumin at least 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. First part of the rajma, we are going to make a rajma spread. So I've added oil in a pan and I'm going to wait until the oil gets a little bit hot. So guys, now my oil has got pretty hot. I am going to add the cumin seeds into it. I'm going to wait until this cumin seeds starts to sizzle. Now I'm going to add garlic. Guys, you would be needing for the step 2 of this burrito, so I'm saving some of the ingredients. A little bit of onion, salt. For the burrito, I prepared a Mexican seasoning. As you can see, I'm going to put down the ingredients down in the description so you all can check it out. The tomatoes. Now I'm going to add the rajma, red chili powder. Okay, I mix the rajma. Now I'm going to mash it. I can mash it with a spoon, but I have a masher, so I'm mashing it because it is more convenient. I have mashed it. I'm going to add it in the mixer and make a sauce-like texture, or you can say I'm going to make a thick paste. So guys, as you can see, now my paste is ready. Now it's time to prepare the rice. First I'm going to add oil. I'm going to wait until again the oil starts to get a little bit hot. I'm going to add the garlic. I'm going to wait for at least 2 minutes so that the garlic gets a little bit cooked. I've added the onion. Again I am saving it because you will be needing these onions for another step. Guys, while making this, I wanted to ask you a question that just comment down below what type of your cuisine is your favorite, and in that cuisine, what is your favorite dish. Now for mine is Italian, and for me it is pasta. Salt as per your taste. I'm going to add the green chilies, a little bit of Mexican seasoning, a little bit of red chili powder. Now it's time to add the mix of peas and corn. I'm going to wait until it gets cooked. Now my peas and corn has been cooked. Now I'm going to add the rice. I'm done mixing it. I'm going to remove it in a bowl, and then we are going to proceed towards making another filling. I'm done preparing the rice. Now I'm going to prepare another filling where I'm using soya bean. You can use paneer, tofu. If you want to make non-veg, you can use chicken. For the first time I'm adding oil. I'm going to add soya bean. Then for the masalas, I'm going to add a little bit of cumin powder and the red chili powder. And for taste, a little bit of salt. Now the soya bean has been prepared. it's time to prepare the salsa. For the salsa, you will be needing tomatoes, onions, the coriander and mint leaves, the Mexican seasoning, tomato ketchup, a pinch of salt, it's time to assemble the burrito. Now the final part. Oh, such a relief. It was such a long process. For assembling, first we need to add the rajma paste. Then the rice. Now the soya bean. The salsa, cheese, guys, to make it crispy, I am grilling it in an oven. If you want to grill it, you can either grill it in a pan or you can grill it in an oven. So let's start. Let's proceed towards grilling it. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a like, share the video with your family and friends, and also comment down below how much you like this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel.